We are excited to announce the release of our new e-learning authoring system, KMx Author, built from scratch with HTML5 technology. KMx Author is designed to enable rapid development of learning modules for standalone use, or in conjunction with the KMx Course Outliner to create multi-lesson e-learning programs and training continuums. KMx Author is designed to enable anyone to develop e-learning and microlearning lessons. With KMx Author, there is no need to purchase expensive authoring tools that require extensive training and experience to produce high-quality online learning. KMx clients receive this exciting new authoring technology, fully integrated with the KMx Learning Management System, for unlimited users at no charge. With KMx Author, your subject matter experts can produce LMS-ready e-learning instead of being bogged down having to perform on-the-job training for every new employee and every new process or procedure. KMx Author is available to the public without charge at kmxdirect.com. Registered users can now create and download SCORM-conformat lessons suitable for use with any learning management system. Site registration is free and is available using LinkedIn and Facebook authentication. After logging into kmxdirect.com, select My Training from the main menu. Select Develop e-learning from the submenu. Enter your lesson title and description in the fields provided. Press the button labeled Refresh to save your entries. Before proceeding, click the link above to review the KMx Author instruction sheet. Press Edit Content to launch KMx Author. This is the KMx Author interface. We will review each major section. Highlighted at the bottom of the screen are buttons that enable you to save the current lesson and exit the interface. To the left of the buttons is a drop-down that enables you to reset the lesson to a starting state. The area highlighted provides general instructions and overall lesson behavior settings, including completion status recording, scoring, and setting the passing grade. Read these instructions carefully before starting your first lesson. Please refer to the KMx Developer Guide for detailed information and advanced features. The area highlighted provides the HTML5 text and paragraph format editing controls. We will see an example of these controls shortly. The area highlighted provides media insert and advanced features controls. We will insert an image to demonstrate these controls. To use the HTML5 text and paragraph format editing controls, highlight an area. In the example shown, the font family for the highlighted text has been changed to Impact. To use the media insert controls, place the cursor where you would like the inserted media to display. In the example, an image has been inserted into the presentation. Numerous advanced image options are available. To apply advanced image options, save the presentation, press and hold the Control key and click on the image. This is the image map editor. It provides the ability to add hotspot navigation to images. It also enables image cropping, shaping, and image animation options. In the example shown, a hotspot has been added to the Coffee Maker Power button that links to slide number 2. To apply your changes, press Update. To exit the image map editor, press Done. The area highlighted provides the ability to change the background for the presentation elements. In the example, a left-to-right gradient with the colors selected and a layered background image has been applied to all elements. Other apply options include buttons and individual slides. Enter buttons to only change the top navigation button colors. Enter slide numbers separated by a comma to change individual slide backgrounds. The Slide Options menu highlighted provides the ability to change the timing, animation, navigation display, and scoring settings associated with an individual slide. The menu also provides the ability to insert and delete slides. Press Next to continue. When you have completed your lesson, or if you would like to preview it, press the Close Window button. Press the Next button to view or export your lesson. Press View Content to preview your lesson, or press Export as SCORM to create a zip suitable for import into any learning management system. Press Return to continue editing or Done when you are finished. The following table highlights some of the key KMX Author features. Congratulations! You have completed this lesson. Please let us know if you create a lesson that you would like to have highlighted in our KMX Author Showcase.